And I'm Chef Caleb, and I got good news.
So what's the good news?
We got marshmallows for Rice Krispies.
Today we're making Rice Krispies. And we're going to show you how to do it. So let's begin.
For this recipe, the ingredients you will need is some
Rice Krispies, some salt,
some vegan marshmallows, and you'll also be using some chocolate chips.
What? Chocolate chips?
Step 1. Rip open the marshmallow bag.
Next we're going to light the fire
Sunflower oil. You can use butter
as well.
or coconut oil. Step 2 is to melt the marshmallow. Let's put it in.
There we go, our spatula.
Now we want to melt the marshmallow until it gets to a gooey texture. You have to stir it continually
Yeah,
to make sure it don't burn.
and either that it sticks. We're not roasting marshmallows here, we're melting marshmallows.
Hey, wait, hold on. We're gonna put some salt,
Okay.
the rest of the marshmallow. Use our spatula, mix it all up, and throw it in.
Whew. Quick
And
recipe.
now, let's mix.
This out all you can, y'all. This is a big marshmallow goo recipe.
Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. Now let's go back to the video.
Okay, you continue mixing. I'm gonna oil this pan with this spatula. Or you could also use a paper.
Now,
A little oil so the Rice Krispie won't stick.
make sure to put enough of that Rice Krispie don't stick to that pan. Don't want sticky crispy.
Okay, now
We're going to put our Rice Krispies
just press it in.
in nice and well. Make sure to smash that like button on this video if you find it's very helpful.
And that's it. We're gonna let this chill for 20 minutes and we'll be right back to pour our chocolate. So our Rice Krispie is done. We drizzle some chocolate as you see.
It looks so amazing, man.
Let me taste it.
Yeah.
Move some of the marshmallow off you. I'll put in the marshmallows. I like marshmallows.
Okay.
Wow. You guys should try this recipe out.
Yes, it has a hint of salt to it from the salt that we add. Well held together, and the chocolate adds the great looking taste to it. I love the chocolate.
That's it for this video. If you want to see another marshmallow video, click up here and it will take you there.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.